Here's a simple little garage hack for you. If you're about to input some thick fluid to your car, motorcycle, truck, tractor, whatever, here's what I do. I take my space heater, put the bottles of fluid in front of the heater for a little while, cover it with a towel or something so it'll actually hold the heat in. And that will warm up the fluid and thin it out a tad so to make it easier to pour into your vehicle. Very simple, very useful, because I hate it when some fluids are so thick you can barely pour the friggin' things in. So that's what I do. Check out our other channel stuff. We've got motorcycle related, dirt bike related, car related, lawnmower related, household items, do-it-yourself stuff in the in your cars, SUVs, trucks, Chevy trucks, Ford cars, Harley Davidson motorcycles, Yamaha dirt bikes, all kinds of stuff. But that's a real simple one for you. Heat up your fluid before you pour it in. Y'all have a good day.